For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Twitter on Tuesday placed a warning notice on President Donald Trump's tweet. Twitter puts notice on Trump's tweet for violating its policy against abusive behavior. Trump had threatened to use force against protesters in Washington.
There will never be an autonomous zone in Washington, D.C. as long as I'm your president. If they try, they will be met with serious force.
Twitter has hidden Donald Trump's tweet behind its notice. The company said there was a threat of harm against an unidentifiable group. Twitter said Trump's tweet will remain accessible in public interest. Trump's tweet referred to the police-free zone created by protesters in Seattle 2 weeks ago. Anti-racism protesters on Monday announced a Black House Autonomous Zone citing Seattle area known as Capitol Hill Organized Protest Zone. Capitol Hill Organized Protest Zone is also known as Capitol Hill Autonomous Zone near the White House. Twitter has put the public interest label on Donald Trump's tweet for the second time. Twitter spokesperson said CEO Jack Dorsey was informed about the decision on Trump's tweet. Twitter had created public interest label last summer to act against abusive tweets. US President's tweet against protesters was first attached by Twitter with public interest notice last month. Trump's tweet with the phrase, "When the looting starts, the shooting starts," was flagged by Twitter for threatening protesters. Trump made the remarks against some protesters indulging in looting and arson. Social media giant said President Trump's tweet violated its rules against violence. Twitter had earlier flagged his tweets on mail-in ballots for possible misleading information. Twitter had tagged 2 of Trump's tweets with a fact-check warning label. President Donald Trump had accused Twitter of interfering in US election and stifling free speech. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey had justified tagging Trump's tweet, saying the move was aimed at providing different perspective to readers. Trump had accused social media platforms of stifling the voices of conservatives. President Trump had already signed an executive order to regulate social media platforms. The executive order allows federal officials to examine the complaints and penalize companies such as Twitter, Facebook, and Google. President Trump has been facing criticism over his deriding remarks against anti-racism protesters. The killing of African-American George Floyd in police custody on May 25th has triggered protests against racial violence in the US. Facebook had removed a Trump ad last week for containing a symbol used by Nazis in Germany against political prisoners. Facebook said the ad was removed because it violated company's policy against organized hate.